Najaribu kutoa video. I don't know how. Okay, so we start by creating a new worksheet. So the very first step is coming here and doing a part design.
Yeah.
Then from there we go to create a new object. Then create body. Then sketch design. Then we choose our plane. We can use the XY plane, Cindy. So that's our XY plane. Okay. So our first dimension was
The line.
yeah, the length. Then we have that. Let us just make a sketch which is not of any dimension still. Then we do an arc. We draw an arc using this symbol. Now we can join the parts. You remember how to join the parts? You click them until they turn green, both of them. Then you constrict using this symbol. Again, you click that one and that one, then you constrict. Easier to easy job, but tukianza kuweka dimension, we will know what is not right. Zenye hazijajoin. So this was
108.
This was 108. Already tushajua hii part hazijajoin. So you click this one and this one. Again, you constrict to join. Then on hii part pia hazijajoin. So you click them to join. So this height was 15.
Unaweza unzoom, unaweza reduce ime.
Hivyo.
This
was 15. So we do 15. This was 37. So 37. Radius was?
Radius ilikuwa 48.
Which is 24. So we work with radius ama diameter. You can always choose.
Work na diameter.
Diameter, which is 48. So we do 48. Then there's a mess up here. Ukiona such a thing happening, meaning hii part na hii inafaa ikuwe at a right angle with each other. Yeah, it should make an orthogonal interface. So if you want to make an orthogonal interface, hii already aligned horizontally iko vizuri, si ndio? So you click this plane and this plane, then you can always insert any angle you want in between them, any. But in this case, it's 90%. So if you want to, let us assume it was 60. So if it is 60, you come and click this one. Unaweka 60. Umeona? In our case, it is not 60. So you can click it. Then you click this one. Then you click this thing looking like a T square. Unaona? Perpendicular constraint, you click it. Unaona sasa? Yeah. So that's how it's done. So we can always, you get it? Yeah, so we can insert this. Ilikuwa?
Hiyo haikuwa given, but you could minus and get it.
From here to here ni 108. From here to here ni 48. 48 minus 108. Should 60. It be 60? Yeah, 60. So hii itakuwa already almost 60. So everything is set. But we still have the inner circle. That extrusion tutatumia to make hole. So we do a circle. Where is the constraint for circle imenipotelea.
Yeah.
It's here.
Yeah.
This one, the dimension for the circle is
Dimension to the circle. Diameter ni 24.
24, yeah. No, diameter, sorry. Diameter ilikuwa hii sana. So 24. You can still constrain it size-wise outside, but after that is when you can now bring it up aqua center.
Mm-hmm.
So the same principle. If you want to ensure that two centers are conjoined, you click the first point and the next point until all of them zimeturn green.
Green.
Then you constrict to the center evil. So what happens after this one? We can run it. So you first of all update, then you
close.
You close. That's our object. Then you pad. You remember? After padding, this is our object, but you remember there's this section. Ilikuwa 44. You remember that? You can either adjust it to 44 by clicking here. By clicking this side, you can always adjust up to the size unataka. Unaona? Or if you have a specific size, you just type there 44. In our case, it's 44. So you just type there 44 and it's done. So we are done with our first object. Okay, the main object. Now we just want to make other parts. So in this case, tunachimba shimo ilikuwa hapa hivi. You remember what we said we are doing? We start by
create a data plane.
You click on the plane you want to.
Or click on the
You want to extrude. So nime click, then
you create a data plane.
Create a data plane. You click on the data plane. Then you press OK.
Okay.
Ukisha press OK, what next?
You create the body.
You create sketch here.
Sketch.
Never confuse creating a body and creating a sketch. Ziko different.
Oh.
Yeah. When you want to create a body, you start from the point whereby you choose the Cartesian plane to use. X, Y, X, Z, Y, Z. Unaona? But you want to create a sketch, meaning there's already a process in running. So in this case, we create a sketch. So back to the same place to equal last time. Or just to move faster, let me sketch it, because I think I still remember the dimension. Then we do an arc, sketching an arc.
118. Yeah.
Then we join them. So the two joints you constrict with that symbol, then you get na constrict. Then we constrict that one. We constrict that one too. Now we can do the dimensions. Hii ilikuwa tulisema hii na hii ziko equal, si ndio? Hii na hii ziko equal, si ndio? Now to avoid kuingiza value everywhere, you click this one and this one, then you click equal sign. Okay, in parallel. When I click this one and this one, that's the equal sign. Umeelewa? Hello? Faith?
Hello?
Unanielewa?
Yes.
We have done our sketch to join the parts. So we want to ensure that this part and this part ziko parallel, yeah? So click all of them, they turn green. Then what next? You click on this symbol. This is to ensure that the constraint is parallel. Unaona? Click that. Then again, to avoid kuingiza value in each and every section, we click them to ensure that they are equal. So ukiingiza value kwa moja, The other one the other one will just come to that size.
Mm.
So nimeclick hizo zote mbili, then I click this symbol. This constraint is for equal length. One already was adjust. Then easy peer, if I click this arc and this arc, I want to ensure they are equal. So I come back here. You get it? Yeah, so hizo peer. So what I'll do, this diameter was 18. So I'll just come and do 18. Nikiweka 18, the other side is adjusted. Then this part and this part, no, hii part moja ilikuwa 18, si ndio? So when I do 18 hapo, the lower part is also adjusted. Now we want to ensure that we gain our shape by also, sorry, this part, no, this radius here to here, the distance between the two arcs should be 18. So hapa pia ni 18. So now sasa tumegain shape yetu back. What have I done? Sorry. This should be 18. So we've gotten our shape back. But kuna one thing hatujafanya, unaona bado ina move. No, ilikuwa from here to here. Ilikuwa inafaa ikuwe, this is 44, si ndio?
22.
So hapa inafaa ikuwe 22.
22.
So from here to here, 22. Now we are good. Kuna kitu ya constraint linanisumbua. But you know why this thing is moving like this? It's because hatuja insert the height from here to here.
Oh.
Yeah. So we can calculate it or we can assume. But we know that
okay.
to calculate from here to here, ne? Here
from
to
there
here,
to there.
From ni 48.
Oh yeah,
Ni 48. Then from here to here ni ngapi? Ni 60, si ndio? Half of 60 ni 30.
30.
Meaning this point, this is the center of the object we are designing now. So hapa ni 30, si ndio? But remember from here to here ni 30, si ndio? But from here to here is the same as the diameter of the arc. You get that? Because from here to here ni 9, from here to here pia ni 9. So from here to here ni 18. So we minus 18 from 30, itakuwa 12. So 12 from 12 plus this one plus 44, 48.
48. Itakuwa 60.
60, yeah. So from here, from the center of this arc to the Y plane, see, can you make click? From the Y plane to the center of this arc, inafaa ikuwe 60.
60.
Mbona inakuja hiyo side? We are on the negative side of the Cartesian plane.
Oh.
So tunafaa kuweka negative 60, sorry.
Oh.
So we do negative 60. You always have to take note on which side of the plane you're working with.
Okay. Na sasa vitu kama hizo 18 venye umeweka positive. Venye umeweka kama hiyo distance 18 millimeters, hiyo ya the lines ikuwe positive na uko on the negative side, ina affect?
No, what happens, this is an object you are trying to draw. So you can mention it freely. In this case, I affect anything. But now, we wanted to determine the distance of this object from the 0 point of the Cartesian plane, the 0 point of the y-axis. So the distance from this one to this one will definitely come to negative, because we are working on the negative side of the Cartesian plane. That's why imekuja negative. But just inserting these figures, nothing changes. Umelewa? Yeah. So, okay, assuming this is what we've gotten. Yeah.
Yes.
Assuming that's what we've gotten. Now we want to extrude it. So we update, then we close. Unaiona? Then tulisema tuna pocket. So tukipocket kuna shimo imechimbwa hapo, but ni 5 meters only. But to dig a complete hole inafaa ikuwe an extrusion of 15 meters. So we insert 15 meters. So ukiona hiyo, ona imefika chini. So we have achieved one point. After achieving that point, now you can delete you can delete the datum plane. To delete the datum plane, you click it until it turns green. After it turns green, you click the space bar in the keyboard. Hivyo tu imepotea. So umeona? Now our next section, tunataka ku file hii part. You remember the time ulikuwa unaniambia jana that my object was symmetric? Yeah, I didn't file this part. So we want to start by filing that part first. So for us to file this part, you can click the edges you want to file. So I click this one. Now, if you want to click 2 edges at the same time, you control, then you click the edge. And you have to ensure you click the edge. Kama hii, unaona hiyo? So when you click that edge, then you come here, unasema file, una file. If you start filing, you can see what's happening. Unaona? Yeah. Then you come to this side, pia una click here. Acha niweke vizuri uone. You click this plane, the edge. If it turns green, inamaanisha umeclick vizuri. So hiyo pia unaanza no, I didn't enter this one. So hii pia ukikuja uclick, then you file. Unaona? Yeah, so that's how to file. So tushafanya filing, si ndio?
So your filing, uwezi ukajua dimensions from your image?
We have to calculate, unaweza jua. Like ukiona the diameter of the radius of any file, there is that external arc which was around 44 millimeters in diameter. Radius yake itakuja 22, si ndio? So like in this case, we were filing, let me just go back. We were filing this one, si ndio? So you click it, then unasema file, then hapo unaeka 22. Unaona? Yeah. So you come back to this side, you click it. No, if you first of all, every work you do, you ensure you save. So you come click here again. then file, then tunaeka 22.
22.
Sija effect. So, sorry. We click, then we file 22. Hii kwa nini inanisumbua? You click it, then file. It's working. So tutaeka 22 hii pia. Ni hivyo.
Nimekataa.
So what next?
Hiyo hapo juu kuimake ikuwe kaa 2 pieces na space katikati.
Okay, acha nieke in a shape I can see it easily. This section, sindio? So what you do here, you come and click one of it. We can choose to click this section. You click this one. So that's the section we want to extrude. So after clicking your point of interest, you come back to create a datum plane. So it will bring back the same concept. Now that's our datum plane, sindio? From here, you start sketching. Just press OK to approve that you've selected the datum plane. Then after selecting the datum plane, you come and create sketch. Unaelewa up to that point, ama turudie?
Rudia.
Okay. So tulikuwa hapa. Hapo unaelewa vile tumefika hapo? Sorry. Up to that point unaelewa? This is just a section of our object, but tunataka kuchimba hii shimo ndio those two edges zibaki zikisimama separately. So what we do, we click a point of interest, which is this section. Ukiona hii kitu imeturn, the entire thing imeturn green, inamaanisha umeclick the entire object. Therefore, it will not be affected. So ensure that the part umeclick imeturn yellow, not green. So tukisha click hapa, you go to the create a datum plane, which is this one, sindio? Then this is our datum plane. Then you press OK. After that, you come back to click the datum plane, which is here, sindio? Okay, click what happens, inakupea create sketch. Then you come and create that sketch. So sketch yetu itakuwa hapa. Sini part tunakata hivi. So to make it simple, you draw an object to seal the entire part you are cutting. In this case, tunakat hapo. Umeelewa how I've reached that point? Yeah. Instead of drawing things like this, let me show you. Instead of drawing a shape like this, nianze kujoin. Nimechukua tu this section. These are perfect image, a perfect edge image. So hiyo ndio nimechukua. So let me delete this one so that we remain with our information alone. So nikishaichukua, I want to ensure that it is to the right dimension. So from here to here inafaa ikuwe ngapi?
From
here to here.
Okay.
It should be
11.
44 minus 18. 11. Yeah. ni 11.
11, yeah.
So from hapo itakuwa, sorry, from here to here tunafaa kuweka ikue. I don't know why it's not selecting. Acha niweke hivyo. First of all, from
una set dimension.
Yeah,
When you
set
click
dimension.
hizo.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we'll click the wrong thing hapo juu.
Also, let us start by the Cartesian plane, the x-axis, and this one. Hii na hii inafaa ikue, I think ni 15, si ndio? From here to here ni 15, si ndio? So should be 15.
I think inafaa ikue 18.
From here to here.
Oh, unasema chini. Oh, okay. Iko sawa ya 15.
I don't know why it's not affecting. But still, ukiona inakusumbua hivyo, you realize that when you move this object, inaleta figures hapa. Oni imetoka 20 to 19, the blue things, the blue coordinates. So drag it until ikue. Imeingia 15.1.
Pick where you want.
Yeah. So x ni 15 already, si ndio? Hiyo tuko sawa. Tunaenda wapi? Y. So hapa tuta move. We are working with y. Y inafaa iko 11. Oni imeingia 11. If I click on y ni 11. So we come to this side. From here to here ni 44, si ndio? 44 minus 11.
33.
33, meaning hapa y inafaa ikuwe 33. So 33 should be that's 34. Now that's 33. Now you realize from here to here ni 11, si ndio? Then from here to here pia itakuwa 11. Then from here to here ni 15. Then always ensure that this cut point, we want to cut all this section. So you ensure that this cut point, this cut marks, you may cover everywhere you want to cut. Ikifika hapa, you'll miss some points out. So you have to ensure iko inje. Yeah, so again, let us ensure hapa imefika 11, just to be sure. Hapo ni 11, hapa ni 33, si ndio? So we are done with that. Hello? So tukimaliza, you just come back and save.
Hello, yes.
After saving, you close. Then here it is. Then again we pocket. Then click pocket. Hello? Faith.
Umenipoteza mahali.
Nirudi back.
Hello?
So nimerudi nyuma. Is that okay? Nilikuwa nakwambia our sketch. Yeah? Nimerudi hapa. So nilikuwa nakwambia our sketch, you must ensure that our sketch is
outside.
Our sketch is covering everywhere I want to extrude, preferably kama hii part to ensure that every place is cut. Nime extend juu. Because hapo juu we don't have any object we are going to cut, si ndio? Hello? Hello? Faith?
Hello?
Unanipata?
Yes.
Yeah, so to share sketch, the part we want to cut to share sketch, si ndio? Up to this point unaelewa? So you come back and update. After updating you close. Umeelewa up to that point? After updating and closing itakupia this bus again. Unaziona? So from here we come back and pocket. You get it? And you can see imeanza kujikata. So tuki press that button, unaona inajikata. Let me do an angle you can see well. Initially ilikuwa hivyo initially. But tukipress hivyo inajikata. So unaona? So unaona? So we have achieved our object. Unaona? So now we can come back and delete our datum plane. So now to achieve whatever we wanted to do. Yeah, it's just that simple.
So ni hivyo tu tumeimaliza.
Yeah, it's done. Now you can submit your assignment. So naona.
So alafu na hizo zingine right side view na top view.
Aje.
Si kwa swali alikuwa anasema tuzi create. So utatilt alafu screenshot venye hiyo part inakaa.
Now what you do after creating this object TV, you click on the object until the entire object turn green. The entire object turn green, si ndio? Ikisha turn green, unakuja kwa files, then you export. Unaona hapa export? So let me export. Itakuwa exported you automatically the file ulikume save object yako. But in my case nataka ku export kwa desktop. So when you want to export, una ensure that hapa kwa save as imesoma STL mesh. You get it? Okay, let us save it. Nime save. Now let us go to where our object is saved. I think hautaona juu sija share my desktop. Yeah, but ukisave hivyo, si tusha save. Now let me disconnect ni share my desktop uone sasa venye itakaa. So let me stop. How do I stop this shit?